Look at that chat room. No, 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 no. How do I fix? How do I fix? Oh, I have to copy over the thing. Hold on. Hey, hold on. Okay, copy. No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Copy. Go back. Paste. Okay, cool. Alright. Yep, nope. Yep. Right there. Cool. Hey everyone! Oh man, it's been a while since I streamed. Is that flickering? Is that chat room flickering? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Just what we need, right? But, yeah. How you all doing? It is the last stream for 2018. And, yeah. Yeah, it's been a year. It's been a year. It's been a crazy year, especially for Webflow. It's been a crazy year for me, but crazy in the sense of good things. Before we get into it, hello everyone. Who's in here? Jay Cannon, Donald, Steven, Jason, Josh. Who else is here? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here on your Wednesday night after Christmas. Hope you had a great Christmas break. If it's still your Christmas break, good job. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a great holiday. Whatever you celebrate it with, whatever you celebrate, hopefully you gave lots of sincere hugs to your friends and family and thought about how grateful you were to be in this world that we live in. I'm grateful for you for being here and spending time with me. Like I said, you guys are so awesome. Jay Cannon, for those, this is my music channel for those of you. Oh yeah, you have a music channel. Yeah, good Christmas, and everyone. Yes. Oh man. So what are we doing today? I've been getting a couple of requests on my stream request form. Let me see here. Let me scroll down. Close this. And yeah. Oh, let's see here. Yeah. So, let me see. Come on. How come my... Wow. Is my computer lagging? No? Yes? No? No idea what's going on. It's one of those days. Yeah, I got a lot of things to go through. Okay, so if you don't know yet, I'm taking your live requests. Go to pxlgk.com/live, and you can just ask me anything about Webflow or web design, and I will answer it live on a future stream. And I'm gonna try to get through all of them today, the ones that I've been in queue. And thank you guys so much. If you are watching a recording, yes, you can still go to pxlgk.com/live to put in your request, and I will answer it soon. But other than that, yeah, I've been asking you all, what should I do with my channel for the next year? All right, thanks for posting the link, Donald. I was asking on Twitter and also on the YouTube community tab, what should I do with this channel next year? Obviously, I'm still going to do live streams. I love doing live streams. It's fun, and doing live streams, you can see the rough edges of design. You know, design is not really glamorous, but it's more about learning and puzzle solving and whatnot. And it doesn't come out perfect on the first pass, you know, and so that's why I like doing live streams, because you can actually see the realness of design. But as far as edited stuff, someone, I think it was Donald, was it Donald that said, I gotta look through my mentions, but saying something to the what I need is more travel vlogs. So I'm going to be doing that. And if you haven't seen, I did one when I went to the Webflow LA meetup that we kicked off with Jordan, and yeah, that was fun. So I'm going to be doing more travel vlogs. I know I'm going to Arizona soon for the UX in Arizona, and it's just one of these meetups that I basically spammed a bunch of meetups, and I was like, hey, do you need a speaker? And some of them reached back to me and said, I'm kind of interested. I don't know what Webflow is. Let's get on a call and tell me about it. And of those people, let's see here, 3 actually said, yeah, come on by. And that was the one in Utah, and then the one in North Carolina, and then now in Arizona. But the one that turned me down was in Florida, and that person was very skeptical. And I totally understand why. It's because I work for Webflow, and I'm trying to tell him about Webflow, and he doesn't know anything about Webflow. It's not on his radar, and I was just telling him all the great stuff about it. And, you know, sometimes it's hard when you're working for Webflow, but you want to come off as sincere and genuine as possible. And the next thing you know, people think, oh, you're just a salesman. And he told me straight up, hey, I feel your passion for the product. I totally understand that you're a fan first. But I don't want my community members to think, you know, we're bringing in ads. We're just bringing in salespeople to the group. You know, I want it to be real. And so I said, okay, totally understand. And this is where the community comes in. Now, if you're in Florida, and actually, yeah, if you're anywhere in the United States and you want to help promote Webflow by like becoming a speaker or doing a Webflow workshop on your own, let me know. DM me on Twitter. And we'll get this started. We want to help you spread the word about Webflow, you know, as organically and as genuinely as possible. Because just like the meetup organizers, they're volunteering their time to talk about Webflow and teach Webflow to their local community. If you want to go even further, we'll help you out. You know, probably help you with, you know, reimbursing you with Uber or giving you some money for food and stuff. And so we'll talk about it. DM me. Let's get this going. Let's grow this community as organically as possible. All right? Let me stop this music real quick. All right, cool. And yeah, so that's, what else? Gosh, what else is happening next year? Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do more travel vlogs. And, oh, big news. So I always talk about community. I love connecting with the Webflow community. I started as a Webflow community community member just by coming in and answering people's questions and just having fun showing people how to use Webflow. And true story, here we go. Real true story. And let me see if I can find the bookmark. Hold on, real quick. Let me see here. No. Bookmarks. Oh, there it is. Did I show you guys this? Sorry about that. Okay, that much better. All right. So, did I show this forum post to the stream yet? Because I happened to stumble upon it a while ago, and I showed the Webflow team, and I told them my one of my Webflow stories about me being in the community. Type yes or no in the chat room if I've already talked about this. But yeah, this is something near and dear to me. Waiting. No. Okay, haven't seen it. All right, cool. So so you heard of my story about how I got into Webflow. It was all just hunky dory. It was like I helped on the forums, and I kept helping people, and then I went to meetups, did a YouTube channel, Just wanted to help the community and get the word out about Webflow as genuine as possible. But in between that time, for the 2.5 years I was a part of the Webflow community before joining the team, I actually stopped posting for a good month or two, probably a whole quarter. I stopped posting on the forums. And I'm gonna be honest. The reason why is because at a previous job. Oh my god, that flickering! Come on. Okay, hopefully that there. All right. So at my previous job, the work atmosphere was bad. It was I was struggling at the beginning of 2012. At the beginning of 2012, I was over the moon. No, wait, no. 2012, 2000. Yeah, okay. So 2012, I was over the moon. I was loving it at my job. I was killing it. I was making awesome designs, and I had great ideas, and I kept pushing forward, and I was doing a lot of creative stuff. And wait, was it? Oh God, I'm messing up my timelines. 2013 was when I found Webflow, right? Yeah. Okay, sorry. 2013, I was over the moon, and also 2000. I was over the moon because a couple things happened. One, that's when I got married. Two, that's when I found Webflow and started playing with it. And three, Daft Punk's new album came out, and that was just the best year. That was the best year, right? No, I did not work for SpaceX, Josh. But oh man, if I did, man. Anyways, that was the best year for me. But then, the direct, see, I don't want to like call people out, but I kind of am. Anyways, it was just a bad environment at work. It went crashing down in the beginning of 2014, and I was like, really, I was getting very anxious, and like when you own a condominium or apartment, whatever, and you have to pay bills and whatnot, you're in the adult life. Your job is the thing you need, and so I felt trapped there, and I just kept on trying to be as creative, but then getting pulled back and like just being told no more creativity, just do what we say, and it hurt me to my core because every time we would do a project, I would be like, are we doing this for the internal customers, which is the people who are saying, hey, make this web page, make this web page, and make it like this? Or are we doing it for the users who actually use the website? The user experience, the users outside of the building are the people that we should be listening to. And so it just really got to me. And there was a time where I just stopped posting because of the work environment, and like I was getting anxious. I even had to even go to therapy because, and thank God it was in our health insurance, but I went to therapy because I didn't know what to do. I was going crazy. I was getting mad at my wife, and it was not her fault, and I didn't know what to do. It was her who said you should maybe go to therapy, and so I did, and I was just so mad at the world, you know. And next thing you know, what helped me was this guy, Daniel, and he's still a Webflow member. Like, yeah, he's been a Webflow member since 2014, and oh yeah, look at that. He's read a post 3 minutes ago. Look at that. That's awesome. He's still part of the community. Anyways, he posted this. Pixel Geek was such a large contributor to the community, and I have not seen him or hear for ages. Does anyone know if he is still on here? Are you okay, Pixel Geek? Sorry if this post is not in line with the Webflow rules. And at that time, I didn't want to tell anyone what exactly was going on. But that one post brought me back to Webflow. Whoops. That one post brought me back to Webflow, to the Webflow community, you know? And I used to experiment like crazy with Webflow. I used to just help people left and right every day. The, the posts on Webflow, like I would continually refresh because there would be nothing new. I'd be on it that much because I was like, these are my people. And I left, but only but it just took one person to say, hey, are you okay? And I think because of him, I'm able to help everyone else. And so, moral of the story for this is check up on people. Or, no. The moral of the story is care for someone. Just care for someone once a day. And the the amount of people you'll help through that one person is limitless. Because of Daniel, I am now pushing this same care into almost as many customers as I can who sends a support ticket to Webflow. I'm sending this care forward to every community member I can on Webflow. I'm sending this care to everyone in this live chat room. And hopefully this type of care will then extend to your friends and your clients and their friends and their clients and so on and so forth. So my Christmas wish would be for you all to pass these tips of Webflow, this caring of this community, the positivity of this community, push it forward. Push it forward to at least one person a day. All right? Because you'll never know the positivity that'll come from it. It's just awesome. So, Daniel, I doubt you'll watch, but you know what? I'm going to DM it to you since you're still a part of the community. I'm going to DM it to you. And I want to thank you. Thank you so much. 3.5 years of being a Webflow employee, and I really feel like you're a big part of it. So thank you. And to everyone else in the chat room, again, thank you. All right? Okay. Enough with the thank yous. Let's get into the live requests. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that was my heart right there. But, yeah, Josh, I get it, man. Glad good things on the horizon and you're doing better. Yep. Definitely feel like I'm in the headspace. Looking forward to the possibilities of the future. Hard to see the forest through the trees when you're deep with unhappiness, unfulfillment with work. Paying it forward. Yeah. Spencer, whenever like someone says something like they're down and everything, I always start out by saying, I do not know the half of what you're going through. Because I've never lived in your life. I've never lived in your shoes. I can only imagine what you're going through my own personal experiences. And what I've learned is that if you just continually design for the love of it and you teach people that passion, you show people that passion, good things will come. Okay? Kind of like what Bob Ross says in some of his stuff. It might sound cheesy, but some of the videos that got me through it were look up Melody Sheep on YouTube. He's the one who did the Bob Ross remix and the Mr. Rogers remix. You know, it helped me. So maybe that can help you too. But if you ever need help, I and also the rest of the Webflow community are here to help you. All right? So don't think that you're alone. We're all in this together, okay? You'll find it. You'll find whatever you're looking for. All right, let's go for it. All right, first one. Ah, yes. True Pixel Design. Okay, so Josh asked me to review this site a while back. So finally, we're getting to it. We're starting off with a UX review. Let's go. Flow it forward. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, it's a video. What? Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I thought this was a so True Pixel. I thought, okay, something to do with digital something, pixel, True Pixel. Then seeing this 3D animation of an object I've never seen before in my life, I'm thinking, oh, CAD, or probably 3D printing. But then it gets to this last frame and it says video, web, and print. And I'm like, huh? Confusing. So this video right here is confusing me. All right. Um. Okay. Okay. See, and this is all my first impressions. Okay. Now that I'm looking here, it says real. Now I get that that's probably one of their things from their reel. That's what I'm guessing. But yeah, this is confusing right now. This is confusing here as well. I'm very confused. So let's scroll down. The future is here, True Pixel technology. We help tell stories. Okay, so True Pixel technology, is this like a... See, when you talk about technology and you're naming a piece of technology, to me that's like, oh, you've patented something new. You know how like, or you're making a new feature of something, kind of like how Tesla calls it autopilot technology, where Nissan calls it lane assist technology, or something like that, and it's just basically the same thing, you know. So I'm not sure this is the right copy to use, True Pixel technology, but this makes sense. We help tell the stories of ideas and products. Okay, so maybe this should be your H1 or something, and it can be right here or in your video. So yeah, I'm kind of confused until I get here. I understand your site more. I understand your company more. Okay, scope, concept, product. Okay, I get it. It's a lo-fi design, and then it's like getting refined, and then this is the finished product. Okay. Um. Okay. But yeah, so I don't. I know I'm being overly critical here, but the only reason why is because I want you to have the best looking site, the one that comes off easily to your users. And of course, if you do A/B testing and you're getting the click-through rates that you want, and then who am I to judge? If you have analytics to back up all of these design decisions and copy decisions, then I will gladly shut up because I want to learn from you. So, okay, now it looks like you're just getting started because you have the same copy here and here. Okay. Vladimir, what's up? All right, current reel. So I got confused because it says current reel, and I thought you're gonna have like two different reels. One is current, and then this one is obviously old because this is 2017. Let's go look at your reel real quick. Real quick, get it? Okay, no. Do we have? Okay, so you do 3D. Oh, PS4. Okay, Photoshop. Okay. I get it. Alright, I get it. Yeah. So you do a lot of 3D motion graphics. and also 2D concept for shops and whatnot, for buildings, and okay, I get it. How, ooh, what is this, Star Citizen? That's so cool. Oh wait, GE is actually working on a a biplane or a propeller plane like that? What? That's cool. All right. So as far as the layout goes, oh okay. Hi Josh, nice to meet you. Is this? Let me see here. Is True Pixel just you by yourself? This doesn't work, so I'm guessing. Okay, it does look like it's you by yourself because if I click on this, it goes straight to your LinkedIn, and it's not a company page. It's just you. So okay, if it's just you, I would change the game. I would change the messaging completely. The fact that you alone can do all of this is amazing. And I will put that front and center. My whole thought was, okay, True Pixel, it's a design strategy company. Probably like 2, 3, probably 10 people. I didn't know at all. Until I got to the bottom and I saw that it was just you. I would put you front and center. Do it something where it's like, I'm Josh. I'm True Pixel Design. I can do all this badass stuff and help your ideas come to life in video or something. I can help people. I can help you sell your idea to the right people or something like that. That's really awesome that you can do all that. Show that off. All right, let's see here. Do you have an about page? Please tell me you have an about page. It's probably under contact. No? Okay, it's a one pager. Okay, I'm guessing this is all from a Webflow template. Let's see here. What's your about? Tell me about you. Tell me. You don't have a like a paragraph or something? Okay, so yeah, like I say before, like I always say, start with the story first. What is your story? Why are you True Pixel? Why are you so awesome that you can do 3D design and all this stuff and web design? Start with that first, and that's your main concept, and everything else will just fall into place. All right? Cool, cool, cool. Rox, what's up? Merry Christmas to you too. Spencer, I sent you a DM about a project I'm working on. Feel free to show it on stream if you have time. Yeah, I'll get to that after these. But here, let me mark this. Okay, we're done with that, Josh. Again, good job. Good job, Josh. But start with your story. All right, Drillhead. Mr. Drillhead says, how do you make a CMS image collection with uneven height in 3-column, same as this site uses? Huh? Hold on, I'm loading up the page. Let's see here. It's a photography site. Come on. Oh, the site is loading slow. Oh my gosh, it's loading so slow. Is it me? Am I slow? Let's see, we'll test from San Francisco. Running tests. And while that's happening, view source. And Yoast for WordPress. Okay, so it's not me. Definitely not me. Whoa, the test is still running. If you're ever wondering if a site's slow or if it's just you, go to tools.pingdom.com, run a free test, and you'll get a full... Here we go. Wait, there we go. Yeah, you'll get a full report on what's going on. Ooh, that load time, though. That load time. Ooh, doggy. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Let's see why. 18 megs of images. Yes. Okay. Why is this? Why is this? You can actually see the waterfall too. It's pretty cool. So you can see which files are taking a long time to load. So these are all. There has to be like a big image or something. Wait, how come that took so long? And it's only 362 bytes, not even a kilobyte. It's just a byte. What? WordPress. I'm sorry. To all the people who use WordPress, okay, sorry, not sorry. Seriously. Okay, anyways, back to the question. How do you make a CMS collection with uneven height in 3 column? Oh. Yeah, this one's easy. This one's really easy, and I actually did it for this. So, Mr. Drillhead, if you're watching a recording, check out evolutionplants.co. Made in Webflow. This is an old site that I built. It was when I forgot. Interactions 1 was still a thing. Interactions 2 was not even thought about. There were no concepts yet for Interactions 2. So this is very old. So go to the gallery, and this one takes a while to load. So this was my my hacky way of doing it, but I did it. So yeah, this is actually our friend, good friend, and so funny story about this guy. His name is Shell, okay, and he actually does plant displays. He owns this company. He built this company called Evolution Plants, and he does plant displays like this for hotels, breweries, and whatnot. And yeah, he's making a living off of it. It's pretty cool. Really cool guy. And so I actually I worked at a startup a while ago, and he actually did the plant. He was like maintaining the plants in the office at the time. It was like 3 floors of offices and whatnot, and there was this one plant in between me and this other cube mate, and we named the plant Bob. And then whenever he would water the plant, we were like, "Oh, thanks for taking care of Bob." And it was just funny. I didn't even know his name at the time. And then years later, my wife starts Cowlick Appeal with her business partner, Virginia, and her husband happens to be that guy. And so I was like, whoa, small world. Anyways, answer the question, yes. This is how, let me show you how to do it. And let me just get the read-only link real quick. I have to go through the admin tool, so hold on. The Webflow admin tool. Let's see here. And then I'll show you. Okay, copy, paste. All right, back on it. Going to the. So what did I do? Oh yeah. What did I do? I think I know what I did. What did I do? Okay, here we go. Ready? You're gonna be like, oh my god, that easy? Yeah, look at this. Gallery grid. So this is before grid. This is not even real grid. Alright? So check this out. Gallery grid, and then here's the trick. Right here. That's all it is. Watch this. Let me put it back to 1. Okay, so that's just 1 column. Alright. And then now, oh, what happened? I can't scroll? Interesting. Now I'm going to set it to 2. And now I'm going to set it to 3. You can even set it to 4 if you want. And see how it's uneven at times? Yeah. See? Ooh, pretty. So yeah, this thing right here. It's not, yeah, it's masonry. in a way, but this is just using CSS text columns. I forgot what it's called. Let me see here. What's it called? What's it called? Yeah, it's just called column. Yeah. So if I do, let me dock this real quick. There you go. So there you go, right? If I do column count 4, yeah. So that's all you have to do. Yeah. It's not that hard, but pretty cool trick. Enjoy. There's other ways to do masonry. Let's see here. On the forum, masonry. There's a bunch of, let's see here, most viewed, I think. Yeah, this one right here. Oh yeah, this is the trick I used. Yeah, that's exactly the one. But I think there's a new one with Flexbox. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple of tricks you can try from the forum, but that's the easiest one. Maybe I should make them smaller. It looks cooler that way. And then we had to hack a... Oof. Oof. Don't tell the client. Don't tell the client that happened. But we had to hack our way into a bunch of hacky code that I even asked Bart to do for this project. For a Lightbox. But yeah, pretty fun. Cool. Alright, next one. Brandon, it's a site I did for a client. I don't like the super long single pager, but the client... Oh, I keep pressing that button. I'm trying to get used to my new Stream Deck I got. Alright. I don't like the super long single pager, but the client loves it. Tried to cram all the content in as neatly as possible, looking for overall suggestions, staged over here. Totally get it. Totally get it. Clients get what clients want. So just gotta do it. Alright, here we go. 3700 Bienville. Mid-city luxury condominium development. This light trail right here makes it look like this car moves so fast just to park. But upon second looking, it's this car that's actually moving. Anyways. Really can't see the bien, or bien, whatever. It's getting cut off here, but I don't know. Maybe push the image down more. Oh yeah, if you have more sky in the photo, ooh, I hope you do. I hope you do. Let's see here. Can you push this down? No, wait. Yeah, you have more sky. Yeah. How about something like this? Okay, even more. Let's get crazy with it. Hold on. I'm gonna get your read-only link. I'm gonna get it. Hold on. Wait for it. Got it. Let's go. Eh? Alright, cool. So what I would do with this hero section, I wouldn't make it 90 VH. Just go straight up 100 and push your image down. Oh, that's where it ends? Okay, alright, that's fine. That's fine. You can still work with it. It's all good. It's all good. Something like this. Here's what I would do. I would do this. I would do straight up pixels, right? So that way you can do something to make this look better. Hold on. I'll show you. Something like this. Oh no. Ugh, it's gonna look horrible. What am I doing? No! I don't know, get something. Give me sky. Yeah, it is, right? It looks like fog. Okay, better, better, better. Yes, loving it. Okay, cool. Let's do something like that. Right? Yeah. So like that. I don't want a hard line. Or maybe we can just do a hard line like that, but push this back up. Well, so what I'm saying is, if there was like a lot more sky, this would be so much easier. So that way the text doesn't hit the building, because the building is the actual product. So you don't want to hide the product under text or even the button. So something like that. That's kind of crude, but like, yeah, you know what I mean. Oh, Brandon, this is your site. Yeah, Brandon, cool. Yeah, you came in just in time. Cool. Welcome. So yeah, don't hide the product under text, and don't use VH since the product has to be pushed down. So I would do something like this, or Photoshop it. Cut out. It's gonna be tough for the tree, but see if you can cut this part out and replace it, and cut out the tree too. Probably cut the tree right here, or hire a gardener and then get the photographer again. But yeah. So I would do something like that. Okay, moving on. All right, let's see here. Mid City. Let's go ahead and preview. Okay, so you have some sort of interaction there. Let's check it out again. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Cool. All right, moving on. Okay, don't forget to change your color. I don't think that's a default blue that Webflow gives. So you might want to change that to something else. Maybe the red that you're using everywhere. And also the font is smaller than this. So I think you haven't edited this one yet. So go ahead and fix that one. Yeah, okay. See how this is, I know this is a fake, but this couldn't, like, this is where you can put the text if you had more, you know what I mean? More sky. Cool. That's a lot of money. Okay. Why would they want a slideshow and then they have a light box? What? Either or. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, that really doesn't make sense. Careful. It should be the same height. This looks like a mistake right here. It looks very straightforward. I mean, the shadow looks very harsh. Maybe set the opacity to that to something lighter. Ooh, nice. My house will never look like this because I have a kid. That kitchen, when you're an adult, when you look through houses and you're like, that kitchen though, rather than, ooh, what new video game is out? That's my life. Like for Christmas, my father-in-law got me and my wife some like tree trimmer thing, huge scissor things. I don't know what they're called. And I'm like, ooh, this is awesome. But I remember back then, during Christmas, I'd be like, oh, I didn't get a video game. Come on. But yeah. Spencer saying a little more white spacing padding on the top and bottom of each section might help. Oh yeah. You called that one, yeah. Good call. So it would be like, you have overview, intro section min height. So if you had like a padding of top and bottom of like 160 pixel on the top and bottom, it would look something. Right? Okay, so maybe not there. Maybe here. Padding 0, 160. Oh. There we go. Oof. Yeah, well, once. Yeah. Probably 80. But yeah, I know what you mean. Good call. Yeah. And oh, maybe you can choose different background colors for each section. So people know, so the eyes can go like, oh, I'm in a different section. Oh, cool. Like an off-white. I like to use F7. So something like that. And then you can also put padding. There you go. Like something like this. Boom. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Good call, Spencer. White space. White space. What else? Oh, wow. That's a lot of information. Yeah. Just space it out, and I think you'll be fine. Did they make the video? Cause like that right there, that cut is so. Oof. Anyways, that's not you though. I know it's not you. Okay. What are? So Webflow's homepage is very long. Okay. And it has a lot of information, but it's very spaced out and things are happening. Besides the spacing, what else would I do? And if this is the wireframe that they like, then just space it out and you're done with the project. But in my mind, I'm like, if you want to go even further, a completely different wireframe would like do this so much more better, you know? But I don't know what their budget is. I don't know how many hours you've already put into this. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if I were to take this on, I would redo the wireframe. Yeah, I'll redo the wireframe. Because, okay, so our motto is simple, settle no more. Yeah, but I'm not a realtor, so I'm super interested. Yeah. What's wireframe? Okay. So, a wireframe is like, oh, we're talking houses. A wireframe to me is like a blueprint, all right? Blueprint of a website. All you have is like boxes and X's and web design wireframe. So if you just Google it, they look like this. Oh, even Charlie Marie has a tutorial, and basically it just looks like this, you know. It's very lo-fi, black and white, no color, and you're just showing the customer, hey, this is where I think, with all the content you have given me to put on this page, here is where I'm going to organize all of this content. What do you think? And that way you can go back and forth with your client to figure out how it tells the story and how you get all the way down to the bottom for the final call to action or the conversion to fill out a form at the bottom, right? So yeah, the blueprint of a website. Ooh, there's a one pager right here too. Look at that. So yeah, how websites usually happen is you start with a creative brief. You then do a sitemap. If it's just a one pager, then you don't need a sitemap. You just, well, creative brief that has the goal, and then you have your sitemap, and then you have your wireframe, and then some people like to go straight into InDesign or Adobe XD, or some people go straight into Webflow and just start designing it. And then from there, from Webflow, you send the link to your customer and see if they like it, and then launch live. I mean, that's just the perfect scenario right there. But yeah, I would do a completely different wireframe to make this site completely different. Okay, but yeah, thank you so much. Good luck with it. I would like to see what you do with it. If anything, this last part is the, hold on, let me refresh. Yeah. So if anything, this last part right here, this is the end of the story. This is, okay, you're hooked. You want to buy a unit. Let's talk, right? And so this part right here has to really shine. It shouldn't just be a form. It should be something that pulls people in. In marketing, usually for marketing houses, you want to show people inside of it. I think that's what brought me into where I'm at right now. I don't know. I guess more research into how realtor websites are like. I wouldn't know. But yeah. That's how I did it, straight to Webflow. Yeah, but wireframe first before you even go to Webflow. I even wireframe. Just wireframe on paper. You know, that's what I do. Where's my notebook? Even on my website, I think I showed people. Wireframe all day. So yeah, just like, what do you want to do with the website? Just jot down what you think a website could look like, what the mobile could look like, and all that stuff, and that should really help out. So hopefully that helps. Show me what you got next time. Really looking forward to any evolutions, but good luck with it. Okay, I see what you're saying. Awesome. All right, next one. Oh, Brandon, you already... Another one for Brandon. For CMS collections, when creating blog posts, how do you even get post listings on static pages? What? Not sure what you mean. Okay. Let's close this. Okay. How do you get even post listings on static pages? What do you mean even? Are you talking about these? Even post listings. Not sure what you mean. Let me get your read-only link. And again, if you have a question or something, go ahead and go to pxlgk.com/live, fill out the form, and I'll answer it in order. All right, cool. We're there. Even, that's what I'm thinking too. He means even height. Yeah, simple. Flexbox. And see how this has this height, and then this one is lower, and this one's the lowest right here. So if you want all even height, first I would make all of your images the same height. And if you can't make all of your images the same height, you can do the trick with background image. And so you can do something like this, like thumb, and then pull in the background image of the thumbnail, and then set it to cover. And then now we have more control on all of them, and we'll just set the height to like 250. Let's go ahead and center that background. There you go, 250, and then let's go ahead and delete these. And now they're all the same after the image. Hold on. Why aren't you 100%ing? What? Is this flex? What's latest art? Oh, okay. So your link has to be display block. There we go. All right, so there you go. Text. Okay. Also, he might want to know how to use ellipsis for the text. Ooh. Ooh, what is this? I've never used this. What is this? Cannon. What? You're showing us some CSS. I want to know what this is. I'm just going to throw it right here for no reason. Style. Okay. Wait, let's put this outside of everything. We'll put it here. Okay, and so I'm guessing it's this latest text. Alright. So, latest text. Ooh, today I learned. Today I learned. Did not know you can do that. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So the CSS is saying, hey, when you get to 4 lines, put an ellipsis. Dude, CSS is so cool. Man. Alright. Hopefully that helps. Brandon. And there you go. Answered to your question. Oh, wait, no, this is a different Brandon. Alright, cool. Great questions. All learning today, including myself. Alright, Merit. How do you get... Let me just throw it here. Yes. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Alright. Merit, how do you get the nav bar to sit in one place, and then once you pass it to follow you down the screen, see link? Oh, that's CSS sticky. Google search, well, I mean, Webflow showcase CSS sticky, and here we go. Sticky on scroll. This is what you're looking for. Duncan did this, yeah. So watch this. Stick, 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 stickly. Okay. So check that out. And there's other examples, but I'm gonna show you guys something cool. Just FYI, this is coming soon. We're still working on it. Let's see here. Section, hero, height, VH. What? Oh. There you go. And let's go ahead and set this to flex. Hero. And then let's go ahead and set this to relative. And then, oh yeah, sticky sidebar with flex. Oops. You can do this one too. Wait, how come it's not? No. Yeah, right here. Oh, Noah, you're J Cannon. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Sorry, Noah. So yeah, you can do this, but check this out. Much easier. I show you why. I show you why. Showing you the new hotness. New hotness. Okay, so that's position relative. It'd be really great if you can make a video on SEO. I just did a crawl. Okay. I will look into it. If you want to put that in my list too, that'd be great. Let's get a nav bar. And this nav bar is going to be position. Actually, position stick. No. Wait. What am I doing? Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm doing the things. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Alright, so my nav bar is going to be positioned like this. Sticky! Width 100. Width needs to be 100%. There we go. Cool. Sticky! Now let's put another section. Section row 2. Height. So auto doesn't go away. Look at that. That's why we have to do bug fixes and whatnot. Let's go ahead and do the background color. Hello? Bueller. There you go. Flex up. Number 2. Alright. And last thing. Sticky. And it should be set to 0. And so. Oh, it didn't work. I was so confident. And confidence left me. It totally left me. Wait, let me try one more thing. Let me try it. What if it's outside of the hero? Oh, there it goes. So if it's outside the hero, it works. Okay, that's why. So let's go ahead and set this. There you go. So this nav bar. Let's see here. What if the hero is like 90 VH? And then you see, there we go. So it can be like this. Make sure it's on the body. Thank you, Noah. There you go. See, it sticks. Let's make this bigger so you can see more dramatic effect. So coming soon, you can just click a button. Coming soon. Valentin says, I'll have to say sticky every time I use this once it's available. I know. Sticky! Stickly. Alright, cool. Where's my list? Where's my list? There you are. Cool. Merit. Answered your question. Let's go. Mr. Drillhead, tomorrow for you, I will be presenting, whoa, it's a long one. I will be presenting my first ever website to a customer. In a previous request, I asked how to, my collection list uneven height. Oh, the site might be perfect. When involved looking at your streams again. When I click the video thumbnail in mobile, it opens the whole video YouTube interface related video comments. And what I want to do as Webflow YouTube videos, open only the video itself. What am I doing wrong? Let's see here. Okay. Oh, yeah. I remember this one. Okay, so when you play a video, that's cool. Good job with this. I like it. Okay, so where's your video? I'm guessing it's this. Okay. So I'm going to click this. Well, yeah. Well, the reason why is because these are linking out to YouTube. Let me get your read-only link, and we'll look deeper into this issue. Okay, paste and go. Here we go. Let's go to your videos page. We're going here. We're going here. Yeah, so this is just a link to the video. What I would suggest is go to current video and set up your videos page right here. Put your video here, pull from video link, and there we go. This will not open in YouTube. This will open in in the mobile browser when you do it something like this. Okay? Hopefully this helps. Where's the... There we go. Cool. Keep it going. Keep it going. I think I may be able to finish tonight. Unless you guys put a lot of requests in. Doesn't... Oh, okay, yeah. Still have a couple. Alright, here we go. Brad. Man, if it's how come I can't scroll? What's going on? Man, if it's possible to create an application with a payment required at the end, I'd love to know how. I can't figure it out. It could be with e-commerce or something else. Dude, your vids rock. I think some static came up over there. I don't know. Thank you so much for the compliment. Glad you're liking the videos. Payment required at the end. I would need to see a scenario, or I need to see another website that does this. Payment required at the end, I guess that's e-commerce, right? But e-commerce is just for selling physical products. You can't do any digital products yet, digital subscriptions, so you may have to wait out on that. So yeah. Just, give me a scenario. Tell me more about what you're trying to... Donald says it's possible with Typeform. You can try that. If you don't know what Typeform is, typeform.com. You can make, you can make surveys or forms, and I guess at the end, you can add. Let's see here. Let's see, versatile 2. Accept payments via Stripe. So there you go. That's cool. Did not know that. Yeah. Moving on. All right, bro. What's up, bro? Bro. Whoa, bro. Bro. Peter. Been watching videos learning Webflow, and I say you because I know in my heart... Oh, I've read this one before. Yeah. Not doing this one. If you want to read through it or pause the video later, you can. But, yeah. That's when I realized I feel like I need to put a reCAPTCHA on this one. So, okay, last request. Okay, here we go. Dylan. Oh, yes. Dylan. This is Dylan from the Slack channel Designership. I'm looking for remote work as a junior remote designer, and I haven't had any luck. I'm looking for feedback on my UI, design portfolio, and resume on my website. Not sure if it's up your alley. Oh, it's up my alley. All right, here we go, Dylan. Make me proud. Okay. If you haven't seen my video yet about how to make your portfolio stand out, please do so. It's on my YouTube channel. And I'll send you a link to it on Slack as well. But as always, as I always say on my streams and on my videos, tell the story first. Okay? I'm an American UI designer looking for a junior position with a remote team. That tells me nothing about you. I know I can easily click on the About link and learn about you, but what if I'm like a hiring manager? What if I'm HR or something like that? And I'm going through dozens of portfolio sites. This tells me nothing about you. This doesn't tell me how you work. This tells me nothing. It just tells me you're looking for work. But you're more than that, Dylan. You're more than that. So let's learn more about you. Okay, that's you. Hi, Dylan. I would really suggest putting your photo on your homepage. I always say that to everyone. Okay, my designing career began as a child when my mother installed a copy of Photoshop CS1 on my PC. Creative form signatures, banners for gaming websites, anything hands-on, fast forward to college, got my degree. So this is a long bio. I would shorten it to 2 paragraphs. My workflow on researching user clients' needs. Because imagine a hiring manager having to read 4 paragraphs for each candidate. But you bolded the parts that are very important for them, so that makes sense. I like that. Okay, so workflow. Here we go. Bridge. I want to know. I want to know why you love doing UI UX. Okay, here it is. I want to help create beautiful products that actually add value to people's lives rather than distract. Right there. I want to create beautiful products that add value to people's lives. That's your story right there. I found it. And it shouldn't take me that long to find your story. So I want to help, I want to create beautiful products that add value to people's lives. That's Dylan right there. Can you imagine if it said it right here? Something like this. I want to help. No, I want to create products that add value to people's lives. Like that. Like that. What? How come it kept the tags? No. Why did you do the things? Wait. Why? Okay, whatever. Here, let's just make this strong then. Font, weight, bolder. Bold. Font size, ridiculous. Ooh. Like, throw it out there, man. Like, get it out there. 50 pixels. Whoa. That's line height. Boom. Right there. Something like that. Like, be impactful. Like, freaking, yeah. Like, who is Dylan? That's Dylan. Like, bam, dude. A little bit more. Who's Dylan? That's Dylan. You know what I mean? That's your story. And then put your photo somewhere here and boom. Alright? So Dylan, you want to add value to people's lives. Here's me. Now look at my projects that I've done before. Okay? And again, this helps you stand out because if you go to this, I'm calling it now, this lame site, bestfolios.com, and you go to featured portfolios, they all look the same. They all look the same. No one's really telling their story. You know, this person's telling a story. That's cool. But again, this now is starting to look the same. Stand out, man. Stand out. All right. Cool. All right. What's next? Oh yeah, that's finished. Cool. Oh wait, there's more. You should put a live nav link or something on your site. Also some padding to be responsive. Oh, my site sucks? Of course it does. Alright. Thank you, Donald. What are you showing me? What is this? I don't need padding, that's fine. Alright, I'll fix it. Thank you. Let's go to my dashboard. Man, it's been a while since I streamed. Alright. If I do this. So if you look at my grid, it looks like shite. Because it was my first pass at, well, second or third pass at trying grid, but then I was like, okay, I'm gonna try on my own site, and that's why you have these weird things going on. So it's not glamorous, but it got the job done. Let's see here. Can I just add? Okay, I have to somehow. Okay. Okay, don't break. I'm scared. Hold me. Okay, we're good. Okay. So that did that. Oh wait, how come this isn't going? Okay, I got this. Wait, you can't apply grid item styles to a symbol. Try wrapping this. Wait, what? But how did I then? How did I set this? Is it before like a bug fix or something? Oh god, why do the things? Maybe integrate the link in the video section. I can do that. I mean, that'll be easier for now. And then later off stream I'll go ahead and I can do like a hello bar or something. You know, like, hey, I'm live now. Oh yeah, let me do that. I can put something on the edge right here saying I'm live. Oh, but does that distract or something? Or should I put it here? I don't know, I gotta think about this. I'll just put it here for now. I can put it here. Okay, don't break, please. Now live. And then I only show this button when I'm actually live. No, CTA button. Okay, cool. That's so bad. It's so bad! Now, streaming live. And then this could just link to my live site for now. I mean, a live page. Alright, and you said that the thingy... What is going on? What just happened to my life? Why are you doing this? I'm scared. Why is everything so shifted? What? I gotta turn off the new one, go to the old one. Alright. Okay. Okay. Explain to me what's going on. Okay. Why are you here? You should be here. What? What? Oh god. Okay, loop wrapper. Okay. You should be here. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're fine. We're fine. I'm fine. You're fine? You guys good? You good? I'm doing good. Okay. I just got scared there for a second. Wondering why everything was shifted. Oh god. Okay, we're good. Alright. We're not good. Jesus. You internets. And this happening on 2 other pages, so like, am I breaking it on the other 2 pages? Ugh. Ugh. Okay. This is just a quick and dirty, I will fix it later type of thing. Okay. Okay, we're good here at least. Alright, now go to the live page. Oh yeah, I added this thing. If you want to support me, buy me a coffee. That'd be nice. How did you get the thing? There. Fixed. 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 Publish live. Okay, we're good. Thank you, Donald. Thanks for calling me out. Fixed it. Boom. Vladimir, love your streams. Oh, thank you so much. How does the buy me coffee work? I don't know. I saw it on some other person's stream, and it's like you can set it for $1, $3, or $5 donations, and then it goes to a Stripe account. So I set up a Stripe account. I was like, yeah, I'll try it. Nelson, love your streams. Thank you so much. Can you please do a video on SEO? Things to consider when building a website for good for SEO, things not to do, how to test. How about this? For SEO, I am not a pro. I am not a pro at SEO whatsoever. Okay? It is the last thing on my mind. I just know that you need to have like H1s and H2s in certain areas, right? And then you can set up your open graph. Basically stuff you can already learn from the Webflow University. But as far as SEO tricks and things to look out for, what I would do is just Google it. But I want to do more than that for you guys. I will look for SEO expert, or let's see here. Does Webflow, I was going to say maybe I can get John or someone from the Webflow team to do a Webflow workshop on SEO, but let me see here. Flow SEO blog. Okay, so this is back in 2016, and John, yep, that's the person I was going to ask. John actually wrote 13 tips. Design responsively, okay. Research keywords and write SERP in content. Yeah. So yeah, here you go. Maybe this will... Oh, Steven already... Is this the same one? No, two different ones. But yeah, use those two links. Yeah, use those two links. Wait, how come mine... That's weird. Anyways. And hopefully this helps. But yeah. There's not much on SEO on Webflow University, just some very basic stuff. I don't want to waste my time searching the wide. I really want to learn how to do it properly. Well, that blog post right there is written by the guy who does SEO in our marketing team, John Moore Williams. So yeah, if you want to learn from the Webflow's SEO expert, that blog post is right there. So that could help you. And I should learn through that. I should run through that as well, myself, and figure out if I'm doing stuff right on my own website. So there you go. Okay, I've reached the end. Cool. Does anyone else have any questions? I'm not going to do any actual builds because we're at the end of our 2-hour mark. Well, actually, an hour and 30 minutes. But yeah, I tend to get tired around this time. But here we go. If possible, can you do another grid video series? Haven't figured out how to successfully use them without the grid getting wonky on the breakpoints. I'm still learning home logic. To me, grid is, after doing my own site, to me, I think grid, why did it do that? Oh, okay. I have to do this. There we go. Fixed. There we go. So, I would not use grid for a full site. I would to me, I would use grid for each section. One grid for each section, not for the full page. So I was doing it wrong. That's my opinion. Okay? So what I mean, for example, is if I were to take a page or something, like, so if I were to take a page and it's like, okay, we have the hero row. So you have the hero row and it's like 800 pixels tall. I'll make it 50. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Really gotta go. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Yep, you too, Vladimir. Hopefully that helps. This Site Checker Pro is a little scary. Let me check that real quick. Oh, that was a weird CSS change. Let's see here. Okay, it's probably gonna be low scores. Here we go. What does that mean? Yes! 59! So I got a 0? Is that it? Okay. How likely would you recommend? 0! Because that's my score. 0. So you get a 0 too. I don't know. Apparently I don't know the things. I guess I need to study up more on SEO. But I'm not looking to... I guess I need to learn it. Yeah, it's a skill. It's a skill. Ooh, Facebook has 0 as well? What? What? Can we even trust this right? Whoa, wait, how come... Did you see my score? It was different? Oh, why are you gonna tease me like that? It went up and then down. Oh. Okay, yeah, I don't trust this site. Vladimir, don't trust this site. If Facebook's also well, here, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Google. Yeah, Vladimir, what is this? This is not real. Come on. Yeah, don't trust this site. Doesn't, well, I mean, Google has page speed, but I mean, yeah. So that's why the results were scary, Vladimir, because that site sucks. Well, no, I'm not gonna give them a rating. Whatever. All right. Use website grader and tools on Pingum. Oh yeah. All right, let's see here. What's my email? bob@bob.com. Sorry, Bob. 97! And look at my SEO. 30 out of 30. Boom. Grade their own site and see the score. Yeah. Yeah. Splendid page titles. Yep. Masterful. Head of the class. Found it. Alright. Alright, cool. What was I talking about here? Something. I think it was by Home Logic. Yeah. Grid. So this hero would have its own grid, and then I would just leave it as that, you know? And then the next section would have its own grid, and so forth and so forth. I wouldn't do the whole page as one grid. So that's what I would. That's what I would do. All right. So that's about it. Cool. I'm happy I got through them. Whoa, here. Yeah, I'm happy I got through all the requests. Again, if you're watching a recording, just go to pxlgk.com/live and add your requests on the bottom of the page. I will get to it in a future stream. So, what's happening in 2019? And I know I've been going off in tangents because I'm just excited about streaming. So, doing streams as usual. Gonna do more podcasts with the cool guy, Life Right Now, Riley. And then, what else am I doing? Doing more travel vlogs. So I'm going to Arizona soon, and that's going to be the next one. And what else? Oh, so my wife and I just had an idea during dinner. I've always wanted to try to cook a beef Wellington like Gordon Ramsay. Yes, a Michelin star chef. And a nerd wanting to be like him. So I'm going to stream that on, I think, New Year's Day. I'm going to stream that during the afternoon. I'll let you guys know more information about that. But what we're going to do is we're going to prep everything the night before, celebrate New Year's, and then the next day for my first stream of the year, it's going to be a cooking stream. So, completely different, but I just want to do more fun stuff on this channel. So if you want to just watch me fail at cooking, because usually measurements are in VH or pixels or in rems, M's. I don't understand grams or ounces. What are these things? So, yeah. So I'm gonna cook that on the stream. So it'll be fun. And I'm gonna be cooking with my wife, and hopefully it'll be good. And we can just chat it up. If you're doing nothing on New Year's Day and just want to chill and watch me cook and hang out, yeah, let's do it. What else? Yeah. Oh, community challenges. DM me right now if you want to be in a community challenge where speed build stuff in Webflow, and I'm gonna put like maybe 1v1 and put you guys head to head and say, okay, ready, and build a bouncing ball or something like that, or build a card flip or something in parallax rolling. Just do something fast, so it's kind of like a cooking challenge or something. So make you guys speed build, and then the winner will get like an Amazon gift card or something. I got approval from the wife to do this, so yay. So DM me on Twitter. Yeah, how many pixels fit in a gram? Come on Google, how many pixels are in a gram? Well, we'll learn that on New Year's Day. Yeah, DM me on my The Pixel Geek, twitter.com/thepixelgeek. DM me there, and I will add you to the list. There's already one person who's waiting for details, so we can probably do a brackets thing. I don't know. I'll play it by ear, try to figure it out, and depending on how many people want to play. But yeah, let's make this a fun channel. Let's make this a fun year next year, and let's just do stuff with Webflow, web design, and any other variety of things. So that's about it for this stream. What's that? Buy our pixel phone. Oh, that was from the search results. Yeah. I think that's about it. Let's get some music. And I think some people were saying they like the... Whoa. That's loud. My wife says I gotta stop getting paid in gift cards. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being here on the stream, the last stream of 2018. I hope you all have a wonderful and very safe New Year's. I want to see you all here in 2019 and beyond, because we're all going to grow together in this weird, wonderful, worldwide web of design. Alright, so let's do it. Let's do it. See you guys next year. As always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell as well. I stream every Monday and Wednesdays. I'm trying to get into more of a constant streaming schedule for Monday and Wednesdays at 9 p.m. 8 p.m. Pacific. If you're watching recording, thank you so much. Join the Bell Squad. Get here in the live chat and let's talk it up. Other than that, thank you guys so much. I will see you next year. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.